Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Yes, I'm aware that there are a lot of patterns going on in this video today. I'm super excited for today's video because we're going to be unboxing a bunch of mystery tropical plants. As I mentioned in a previous video, I ordered a bunch of plants from a nursery here in Toronto and they finally got here. This is my first time ordering from Plant Collective and they're really cool because they offer bundles of different plants, but you don't necessarily know which type of plants you're getting, so it's just like one giant surprise. The bundle I got was the Low Light Lovers bundle. These are plants that will do well in less sunny areas of your household. It's important to remember that just because something says it's low light doesn't mean it's no light. All plants do need some form of light, even if they are low light. In my case, I'm just running out of window space to put all plants, so I figured I might as well add some greenery to the lesser sunny spots of our apartment. All right, without further ado, let's get unboxing. Dun, dun, dun. I can't even get them in the shot. So they came in 2 boxes. They're supposed to be 4.5-inch pots, I think. So I'm guessing there's maybe like 3 in one box and 2 in the other. Okay, let's open the first one. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I need scissors. My brute strength is not enough. There we go. I'm actually gonna adjust the camera angle so you guys can see this a little better. Ta-da! Before I open this box, I'm gonna do a little prediction of what type of plants I think are in here. I think there's gonna be maybe some ferns or an ivy, maybe some pothos or spider plants. Those are very popular ones that people get for spaces that don't have a ton of light. So let's take a look. First, oh wow, this is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. First, we have a spider plant. So I got one of my guesses right. All right, let's open her up. This is so cool. I'm gonna get scissors, I'll be right back. We are back and we have scissors, so let's get this open for real. Oh, wow, that is a big spider plant actually. Oh my gosh, she's so full and so beautiful. Look at her, oh man, she's beautiful. This is in great condition. Look how gorgeous that is. This will actually be my 3rd spider plant. One spider plant I grew from a clipping, and then 2 others I actually got from a neighbor who also grew them from clippings. Most mama spider plants, they'll start sprouting this really long vine with like a little baby at the end, and you can cut off that vine, put it in some water, and then in a couple weeks it'll get some roots and then you can replant it. Oh man, this is gonna look so nice. There we go. Cleaned her up a little bit. Okay, number 2 is, oh my god. Ooh, she dirty. Up next we have a baby rubber plant. Is that a flower? No, that's a leaf. I got excited thinking there was a flower bud on top, but it's just a leaf, which is also cool. I like seeing new leaves. These guys are really cool looking. They actually kind of resemble succulent leaves because they're, what's the word I'm looking for? Plump? I don't know. I also have one of these and I've had it for like 5 years and it does really well in pretty much no light. They also don't require a ton of watering, at least in my experience. And I wonder if that actually is because they are kind of succulent-like, so maybe the leaves hold it a bit more. Oh wow, there's actually a lot of baby leaves coming. Oh, this is so exciting. I'm a new plant mama. Oh no. Oh no, we had a casualty already. Oh no, I'm so sorry. I'm a bad plant mom, please take it away from me. All right, what's up next? Oh wow, they fit 4 in here? Wait. Okay, before I pull the other one out, there are 2 more plants in here. So that's 4 in total. And I'm supposed to get 5. So I'm wondering either did they send me an extra plant or is the one in the other box just gonna be super big? We'll find out shortly. Don't know why I'm speaking like that. Oh dear, this one got squished a little bit, but the plant itself actually looks fine. And here we have a classic snake plant. Disappointingly, no snakes. This one's really cool looking because a lot of the other ones I've seen have been really straight up, but you can see they're very like curved, and also there's, look at the little baby. It's kind of like a little protective cave, and inside it's like, hey, there's a little baby leaf. This is a plant that I actually don't own and I've never actually owned before, but these guys are super easy to take care of and they're very sturdy. Like, I don't know if you can hear that. Like, the leaves themselves don't really have much of a bend to them. Like, look at the coloring on this. It's beautiful. It's got the same color scheme as our tapestry. Another fun fact about this plant is one of its other names is St. George's sword. So That's cool. Oh yay, I'm so excited to own my first snake plant. All right, now onto the wait a minute. There's 2 in here. This other box is for me, right? Did they send me more plants? If they send me more than 5 plants, that's awesome. Ooh, look at the colors on this one. So this is a corn plant, and no, it doesn't grow actual corn. I love the coloring on it, it's so nice. This is actually interesting because from what I've read about corn plants, usually they are kind of on like a thicker branch, like they almost resemble like a tree, maybe like a yucca or something like that. But this one looks like it's just the actual plant portion itself, unless it's gonna grow a tree on me. I'll have to wait and find out. This is a plant I haven't owned before, so I'm super excited. All right, and on to the 5th one in this box, which again, super curious about the other box because I thought I was only getting 5 plants, but maybe I'm getting more. Oh, this one is so cute. So this one's just a tad bit dirty. I guess it didn't do too well in shipping, but the plant itself is in great condition. It's just a little messy. So this plant, to be honest, I'm not 100% sure what exactly it is. I'm gonna have to do some research, and if I figure out the name, I'll add it in post. I think this plant would actually probably do pretty well in like a terrarium, maybe on its own, maybe with like one other plant in there. Like I think it would look really cute with a fern. Okay, the moment we've all been waiting for, to see what the heck is in this other box. Maybe I read it wrong on the website, but I thought for sure I only was getting 5, because their other bundles seem that you only get 5 and they're all kind of at random. But maybe they were just like, let's just send you all the low light plants we got, which I am definitely not complaining. Oh boy, we have we have a whole bunch of plants in here. So up first, again, we have another spider plant. This one is also very full, very healthy. I think there might be more actual plants in it, or maybe I'm just seeing things. I think this one's actually bigger than the other one. Let's compare. Yeah, it's a tiny bit bigger. I think this one is definitely more compact because it's very full in the center. This one is like more loose. So I'm thinking these guys just are probably taller, and these guys are just a little stubby. That's kind of cool, getting 2 different heights. All right, and up next, we have another baby rubber plant. Is this a stick or a root? Oh, I think it's a root. As you can see, it's very similar to the other rubber plant I got, but obviously there's a variation in the color and the pattern. It's like brother and sister. So there's that one. Wait a minute. The other plants in here, again, I have a snake plant, and I have another corn plant, and then we have a bigger version of the plant I didn't know the name of. Did they send me 2 by mistake? Hold on, I gotta check my order. Huh. So I definitely ordered just 1 bundle, and it says it comes with 5 plants, but I have 10. Oh my god, they sent me 2 by accident. Did they mean to do that? I'm so confused. Obviously, I love plants, and like the more the merrier, but I kind of feel guilty. Like I shouldn't own these. Let me check. Nope, that's my name and address on the box. This took a turn. This took a turn. So there you have it. A video of me unboxing 2 boxes of plants that I wasn't supposed to get. Well, on that note, that concludes the mystery tropical plant unboxing. I definitely was surprised. Overall, it was a really fun experience, not necessarily knowing what I was getting. To be honest, I was surprised that there weren't any ferns or ivies, although I'm just realizing those technically aren't tropical plants, so it actually makes sense now. Now, considering I got 10 plants instead of 5, I'm definitely gonna have to rethink where I'm gonna be putting all these. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I know it's a little different than the normal content that I do. I plan to do a full plant tour of our apartment in the future, so hopefully the next time you see these plants, they will be in their new homes. Like and subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye!